everyone, happy Saturday and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany if you're new here, and today's going to be an exciting day because we have Street Heat. If you don't know what Street Heat is, it is a track event that I host once a month at Bradenton Motorsports Park. There's roll racing, there's drag racing, there's a car meet. You're welcome to come out and spectate. It's a lot of fun. Already today, I already went to a Cars and Coffee. I did film an intro there, but for some reason, my sound didn't work. I don't know why that's happening, but it is what it is. I'm happy I checked it. So I'm going to insert some clips here so that way you guys can check out the little Cars and Coffee that I went to. It's in a neighborhood. It's actually in my neighborhood. So it's a little small, but it's super cool that they do it. Today was actually pretty busy though. Hey, when's the last time you checked your oil?
Found your new deal yet? And he pretty much has been doing all that wiring. There's a lot of things I don't like to do in my car sometimes. I mean, it's not that I can't do it, it's just like I'd rather do something else, you know? Yeah, exactly. So I just go and I'll spend the money and have somebody. It's entertaining.
So yeah, right now we're at Publix. I'm gonna go grab some stuff so that way I can start getting ready, and then we're gonna head on down to the track. There is a private track rental before my event today, so I'll show you guys some of that. And yeah, I'm just so excited for tonight, and I'm so excited that you guys are here. Thank you guys for watching, and if you could just like and subscribe, help me out. I'm trying to get into this more, and every like, every subscribe, every comment encourages me more. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I'm excited to hang out with you guys today. Pre-track Starbucks, ready to go. It is like 1 o'clock. I wanted to be there at noon, but I'm late. What else is new? Alright you guys, so we are out here at the track right now. They got their private track rental going on. It is about 1 hour until our event starts, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to get this kicked off. Also, I didn't mention that we're celebrating Florida Street Scene's 10th anniversary tonight. I completely forgot. Somebody else had to remind me, but what a better way. There isn't a better way to celebrate it. Also, this weather, amazing. everyone. Happy Sunday, happy Easter. I am not at Starbucks, I'm at the gas station, but I just went to Starbucks. I wanted to talk to you guys after the race last night, but I was so tired. I just went home and took a shower and went to bed. I did get a little bit of sun, but track sun is different. If you know, you know. But yeah, so I figured I'd just take you guys through Easter as well. And then this coming week, we're gonna start car shopping again, but I'm gonna bring some friends into it that are also looking as well. So it's kind of like killing multiple birds with one stone. But last night was so much fun. It was so incredible to see all the people there to help celebrate the 10th anniversary and just to hang out. Our next one is May 13th, so if you weren't able to make this one, make sure that you make it May 13th at Bradenton Motorsports Park. Also, at Stingray Chevrolet Bartow, we are having an event. It's a big car meet. There's gonna be free food, free merch. It's gonna be an absolute party. Some super sick cars. There's gonna be a supercar section. Incredible, don't miss that. And I just wanna say thank you guys so much. I am going to do, on the 18th, I'm going to do an official like 10th anniversary of Florida Street Scene video, because that's our official 10th year anniversary, and I can't believe it. So to not spoil that, I'm not gonna say anything else. And on the way to Easter lunch, I'm late. The sky is looking gloomy. My hair is already messed up because I have to have my windows down because I don't have AC. And that is just the shitbox life.
But yeah, I'm super happy with this setup with the peak locks. These are fuel too, but the first fuel up
Matt, you gotta see Tiffany.
It looks like Mrs. Potato Head. You having fun? Yes.
Yours looks like it when you got his wood.
Oh my god, it's so sassy. Look at that. Oh, look at yours.
I'm making you.
You making me?
I want to eat mine now. My peep. My peep? With my peep. That's you. You're my peep. Cute. I wonder how this is gonna taste. Are you gonna eat yours?
Yeah, I want to just do
I have icing all over my phone. I hope I like documented this enough because I'm gonna eat it now. Can you hear that? That's kind of weird.
You take the head off of yours.
Uh-huh. Not fall off, this is the lips. You having fun?
yes.
How about you?
So fun.
All right, you guys, so that is a wrap from my weekend. I am so tired. It is Sunday night, it is Easter night, probably at like 8 o'clock. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna work out because I ate so much. I had so much fun at my friend's house, Lindsay and Matt's house. And I'm sure you guys saw like the clip that I put in. Super sick when you go over to an Easter party and there is a TRX Havoc, a sick Range Rover, a sick G-Wagon, a sick Maserati, a sick Aventador, a sick Z06. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. So definitely have some super great friends, and I'm just really, really thankful for everything. Thank you guys so much for all your support with this, with Florida Street Scene, with the truck event, and also don't forget to join us April 22nd, 2023, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Stingray Chevrolet Bartow for an epic car meet. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.